the unspoken realities of life. After 80, reaching your 80s is a profound milestone, yet it brings quiet transformations rarely discussed. Beyond slower mornings or milestone birthdays lie deeper shifts, a blend of hard-won wisdom and profound loss, cherished presence and aching distance, peace and unexpected loneliness. Without preparation, these changes can leave you feeling blindsided. This exploration uncovers 5 unvarnished truths about life after 80, not to instill fear, but to offer clarity. Forewarned is forearmed. Understanding these realities empowers you to face them with resilience, not surprise, and to navigate your final chapters with dignity on your own terms. The 5 realities. 1. The silent shrinking of your social circle. One of the earliest post-80 realizations is relational. Friends pass away, neighbors relocate, siblings grow distant, and even regular check-ins from loved ones dwindle. This isn't personal, it's time's relentless march. The phone rings less, invitations fade, and visits feel rushed. While love remains, others' lives and their own aging demands pull them away. The vibrant interactions that once filled your days thin out, leaving a hollow quiet. Many don't notice this shift until it's pronounced, like Walter, 84, who found himself alone in a cafe booth where friends once gathered daily. This loneliness isn't always loud. It's the weight of silence after dinner, or the realization that fewer people truly know you. Yet awareness is power. Proactively seek connection through community groups, shared meals, or reaching out first. Courage built over 8 decades can forge new bonds. 2. A body that no longer bounces back. At 80, your body speaks plainly. Minor aches linger, fatigue deepens, and health can shift overnight. What was once a quick recovery now demands serious attention. A dizzy spell or persistent cough may lead to scans or hospitalization, often altering life irreversibly. Unpredictability reigns. Even with healthy habits, a stumble or illness can cause lasting setbacks. Gloria, 81, learned this after a minor garden fall led to months of weakened strength and shaken confidence. Rest loses its restorative magic, and bouncing back becomes adapting forward. Honor your body's journey, pace yourself, respect your energy, and see health as a daily practice. A slower pace cultivates deeper awareness. A strong spirit can thrive, even as the body softens. 3. The uncomfortable need for help. Independence takes a new form after 80. Tasks once done effortlessly, reaching high shelves, driving in rain, climbing stairs snow, require caution or assistance. This creeping dependence challenges self-reliant spirits. You may feel burdensome or hide struggles, like skipping errands or masking a fall. Yet, true strength lies in redefining independence. It's wisdom, not weakness, to accept support. Eugene, 85, initially resisted his daughter's grocery visits, but later cherished the shared coffee ritual. Help preserves autonomy. Grab bars, family aid, or simply saying, "I could use a hand." Choosing safety over pride is bravery. Connection over isolation is self-preservation. 4. Becoming invisible to a fast-paced world. A painful shift is feeling overlooked. Cashiers bypass you, doctors address your children, and servers assume frailty implies incapacity. This erasure stings, especially after a lifetime of contribution. Society's youth obsession forgets that slow steps carry vital stories. Irene, 86, felt this when museum visitors ignored her expertise on history she'd lived through. But you are not background noise. Speak up, share stories, vote, and claim space. Refuse to disappear. Your presence is a living library. Your voice a testament to resilience. Dignity lies in insisting on being seen. 5. Regret, when purpose fades unredefined. With slowing days comes reflection and space for regret. I wish I'd, or why didn't I, can echo in the quiet. Retirement's freedom can feel hollow if purpose isn't reimagined. Stanley, 88, a retired teacher, initially felt unneeded. Purpose isn't productivity, it's presence. It lives in grandchildren's confidence, bolstered by your stories, comforting the grieving, or smiling at a neighbor. Regret loses power when you transform it into meaning. Your purpose now, waking with kindness, curiosity, and asking, how can I bring light today? This isn't an epilogue's redemption. Navigating your deepest chapter with strength. Life after 80 is a testament to resilience. Yet, its challenges, social silence, bodily limits, dependence, invisibility, and purposelessness demand honest acknowledgement. Facing them isn't defeat. It's proof you've lived deeply. Each reality invites choice. Seek connection, respect your body's wisdom, Embrace help with grace, assert your presence, and redefine purpose as presence. This chapter holds profound weight. Your perspective, patience, and quiet gestures are your power. You've earned the right to shape it with intention. Walk forward with open eyes, steady hands, and the unwavering knowledge that your story, even now, is still being written.